Lamech, Methuselah, and Enoch gave us a visual image of the children of the angels. The scripture said, with the testimony of 2 or 3 witnesses, a matter is confirmed. We do not have to dig up the dead and use fancy equipments to study their remains to determine what species or race a person come from. The scriptures gave us the information needed to know the origin of the indigenous Black people, as well as the origin of the people with strange features that resemble the children of the angels among us. They proclaim to be the foundation to every civilization. Every time they disturb the dead that is resting in peace for confirmation, the truth always smacked them in the face.